Good morning, guys. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Once again, my name is Alabib Official. Guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. It shall depend the time, guys. We are watching this video from the far end, and today it's a special day. I thank God for the gift of life, and let's take you outside to see the bright morning from African Kenya, guys. Let's go. So today I want to give you special videos ever, so the reason why we've been closed here is to avoid the chicken going inside. So guys, are you ready for this? And today I want to give you special videos ever. So I was waiting, and actually today it's a surprise by itself. So this video starts from here, and then I'm going to Border Town. So guys, watch until the end. You see what I'm going to purchase or to do. So I can't mention from here. Maybe you see from you see for the last, maybe the end of the videos. So guys, it's a bright morning, as you can see outside. They are chilling, and the only noise that I had here is for the birds. Tweet, tweet, tweet. So yeah. Hi. Wow. Ani gotirnyonyoeka. So good chance. Wow, guys. I was talking with our grandmother there. So it's early morning over here. You heard the birds? Wow, guys. So I wanna say, guys, thank you so much by keep supporting me by watching my videos, and also comment on my videos. Wow, the beautiful calf, man. Ooh, look, it look like a similar. Look, that one and this one. Wow, but this one is somehow big. Wow. So today I want to give you a quick tour from here up to Nyabuhanse, and today I'm coming live from Congrats Dad's home right now. And it's a special day by itself to be here. So let me know in the comment section, guys, what do you think about today's videos. But for me, are very, very special, man. Wow. So this is how things they are here, East Africa, guys. You see, everywhere it's green. Look, green views, green environments. I love it, man, to be born and raised in African Kenya, guys. Imagine. Wow. Oh, guys. So let me check the language, whether I can find it. Oh, no language here. Wow. But it's good and well. So well, this is the balanced stones and sand. So when they mixed, they wanna maybe pour on top. Wow, guys. So I think in my toilet, when I finish maybe doing whatever I'm doing on my toilet, actually tiling on my toilet, so I'll put a drum like this, and then it's full of water, and then it has some place you can lock. But this one is spoiled. So you see here, you can lock. Look. So when it's full of water, my family can use it in good way, or I choose in other way. I choose another way to put how am I calling? I choose another way to put some basket in my toilet, and also it must have the detergent, So this is the tank, man. It's remind me my tank. I was struggling a lot, and finally I finish up. Installation of the pipe. But the bucket, I mean, is this one here. Like when I have 2 buckets of water, so right now I have the tank, and it wanna fill full of water, so the only issue is to fetch water like this, 2 buckets. I put on my toilet. Wow. Hey. Oh man. Wow guys, I'm so grateful to be born and raised in African Kenya. So guys, show me some love, and until the end, you know what I mean? Wow. Well guys, you know what I mean? You show me some love, and I'm just here because of you. So there's a lot of firewood here, and on this compound we so lucky enough, we have the first borehole over there, we have another one down here, and firewood are here. This is renewable resources, so you can maybe take firewood here, and we cook. So firewood are very faster rather than using gas, man. See the beautiful cow. This one is amazing cow. We have another one over here. They are grazing, guys. Look. So technically, let me show you that borehole here. Wow, guys, these pears trees. Wow. So that borehole is just over here. Just over here. And it's have water inside here. You know? It has water. So right now I'm supposed to take you around, and my baby is outside, so I thank God, man. Nowadays I have my own motorbike, so it's helped me a lot going border town, coming back, you know. I like when I'm constructing at home, it's helped me a lot, running right, left, and the center. So at the end of the day, things went right. So let me greet our grandma here. So to say hi. Say hi to our grandma. Wow guys. So these are blessing chairs. Hi. Mubaka. Jumamosi na Jumaine. Yes guys, so she was asking me the market day in our border town. So it's combined on the border of Kenya and Tanzania, so on Tuesday and Saturday. Ukombuyore?
No, so Buyore. Agao.
Yes, so I was greeting her, saying hi. Okay. Ana hiunyoro okay. Kana rira tora kenga kenga.
Kana kenge ni chogan.
Ndo ramon. Is a medicine. Kwani ndire ko na ngambia nkunywe pore.
Indi vera. Ni kenge another.
Sato nkunywe. Is a local medicine.
Kenge ni chogan na rion to.
And then they put here. Kare ambo. Wow guys, imagine that's medicine. Oh wow. You see? Oi. Oi. Well guys, so that being said earlier, firewood is a renewable resources. Imagine if you also use firewood, man. This is firewood. Firewood, and that's fire. Well guys, so let me okay. So I'll come here evening time, go and purchase some sardines. Yeah. Hey, Nini Piggy. Yes. So grandma, she was shocked, but I came in the evening and then went border town with food. I'm telling her I have my own motorbike, all my babies outside. Oh, it can take me there. Wow. How are you? How are you? How are you? You good? You good? What's up? What's up? Yeah. We have the small puppy here. Yeah, you see? Look at the similar. Like father like. Look. Like Brian. Hey! We have the puppy here. Simba. They are going. Wow. Look at this. Hey. Wow. So let's see outside, and I want to take my baby. So right now, if you know where I'm heading to. Wow. There's my baby outside. Oh, there's my baby guys here, and it's helped me a lot, man. It's helped me a lot. So actually right now I'm heading to Border Town, so maybe you can find the vlog when I'm driving or not yet, but I'm sure 100% you will get maybe a little bit, like 2 minutes, and then we continue with our journey. So let me put the key here. Oh, not yet. I'll come back. Let me take you around, and then after that I'll come to take my baby going to Border Town. Oh guys, so you see, this tree is good. You can plant around the compound. So they are we calling gravelous trees. So the leaves, they are not going much deep on the ground or pushing like this foundation here. It can't. But the blue gum, so I want to show you types of these leaves or trees. This is called gravelia. The blue gum is that one there. So like that one, roots you might found at Uncle Mo's place. Wow. Oh guys, you see here. So let me show you the importance of planting these trees. You see this one here? Let me show you. You see this one here, these leaves, and then you compare on that leaf. So this one, it's good. You can plant even close to the door. But that one, my friend, don't ever try. Don't ever try. I'm telling you. I'm telling you guys, don't ever try. This one. Oh, this one here. Maybe this roots goes up to Uncle Mo's place, so it can go to further end. This one trees, so which are near close to my mom's house, but I'm trying to. Oh, this thorn. So, but I'm trying to cut that trees maybe next year, by God willing. So that's the reason why I see that trees, and I'm trying to show you the important maybe, and maybe disadvantage and advantage. But this one, it has some advantage only. That one, it has some advantage and disadvantage. So this one, you can cut trees, and then you can use those branches cooking, and then it will be shed another new leaves. But this one here, it has some advantage. You can cut, and then you use as source of firewood. And also the roots, it's, man, it can spoil your properties. I'm telling you, it can spoil your properties. So right now, I wanna take you to Border Town. So I don't want maybe to mention or to black things. So you just be aware, and you'll enjoy my vlog until the end. So how do you see my baby, guys? Here, this is my baby. Ooh. Oh, let me find the key, and we're ready to go. Alright, so stay tuned. We shall meet on the way when I'm going to Border Town, guys. And today it's so hot. You can see the sun. Today it's so hot, guys. Oh guys, so on the way I'm going to Border Town. Wow. So I'm outside with my baby, man. Look. Everywhere it's green from the back. Wow. You see that view? Hey. Roughly, this is the Muram Road, and it's well organized or well constructed. Wow. So I will take you along to Nyabohanse, and then I will meet the tarmac road. Oh guys, see my entire village, how it looks. Wow. Oh guys, other side, balance stone. Oh, this is a police station here. Don't clear the hands. That's one here. Wow, I'm almost 5 minutes from here up to the tarmac road. Right now, guys, over here. Well, guys, so I'm keep going to Border Town right now, guys. Oh, look at that. Hey, wait. Hey. Oh guys, that is Maja_KE. So hey guys, it's so hot. I hope you can see me riding my bed. Hey, people are passing the machine here. Wow. Guys, are you ready for this? For me, I was waiting for the long time, and it's happened, but it's secret agenda. So maybe you might find where I'm heading to, and to do what I'm going to do. Oh yes, this house. Hey, there's my baby. Wow. So this is the beauty of Africa here. Wow. Oh guys, at the far end you have the municipal, the people who cut tax. See over there. Wow. Unaenda kuifanyia wapi? Unaenda kuifanyia wapi? Eh? Daddy. Okay, so I'm just over here on this hardware. So it's called let me show you the name, guys. We called Narrow Hardware. Typhoid metal ties. Oh, here, if you remember, on my house I put this one. So now I'm looking for the toilet. Mbana ifiki 40? 40?
25.
Okay. Na hii? Na uliniambia 150 eh?
150.
Haya. Sawa. Na hii?
Hiyo yote beni.
Okay, nataka kwa bafu. Bafu ziende hizi. Box 7. Kwa hizi ni chooni box 7, zile box 7. Wafu nipe mahesabu. Yeah, so we need this to put in toilet, 7 boxes. Tano. Wewe sitapata.
Hizi kwa tano.
Alright guys, so we agree with the price and I need this one here. Guys, advise me before I move on. So I want to put this on washroom and toilet. On bathroom and toilet, guys. So right now I'm trying to put this on the washroom, but we didn't find it. So we have less boxes. So I'm trying to put this one here accordingly. Advise me, guys, on this. Let's see. So that box is just over here, and it's 40 by 25. 40 by 25. Right. So I need to have more boxes. Okay, and the video. Wow, guys. So we need 7 boxes from here. So that's 2 boxes. The
original one, the original one.
One, 2, 3, 4. So we need 4. We need 4 boxes, and then for the floor we need 2. Every room take 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9. Sub. That was a floor size. Ralph. Where can I box start? Next trip. These 2 will go with this. So first washroom, and then go for the toilet. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I think I'm gonna video.
Yeah.
Aya, leta mbili hizi.
We add another two.
Two.
Nico, come.
So guys, we just go with the price. So I'll put this on this and this. Wow. Yani musija mjichanganya muni pesa nyazipone ngapiri ingia. Okay. Ani mari sabuni renga mano musiko kuhikira.
Do something. What try for you? What try to do?
It's okay. Unteria masabu ga chibo gisi 40 by 40 ne ngamu kulire kwa gisi.
Mwana mimi nataka
Mwana mimi Thompson. Gangi. Mwana mimi Thompson.
2100 plus 2400.
Okay, tanya ande ki receipt. I need a receipt, bro. So tona has a receipt. Yeah, guys, it's good to have a receipt. Oh.
It's by 40. 714. 250. It's 4 times 1350. It's 5,400. And then 14 voltage. It's 354 AJ at 1050. So 14 times 1050. It's 14 700 plus 2 corner strip plastic plus 150 300. 500 is 20,400.
Yes, it's good evidence to remain there. Tanga mbiri city. Nakupa. In case of anything, I have a receipt. Yeah, guys, just over here. So let me keep it and then make some payment, guys. And I'm saying this, guys, if you want to support maybe in terms of ties, but for now, I purchased maybe 14 boxes for the wall and 4 boxes for the floor, so I can fix toilet and washroom, and then I will remain with 2. So the box is over there, guys. Wow. So guys, I purchased my tiles, so I'm going to look for the... Oh, look that bus, man. Hey. Nyerere. Wow. So I'm going to look for the tuk-tuk, so it can take me. Hey, tourist vehicle, guys. Wow. So I'm going to look for the tuk-tuk. Let me see the tuk-tuk, guys. It's a three-wheel car. And guys, tiles are so expensive, so let's put some 2. I need a tuk-tuk, guys. So when today is expensive. Oh, yeah. So I want to see the price, guys, for the tuk-tuk to deliver my tiles. Leo unanipelekea tiles kidogo, usije niambie hanga 1000.
Tiles ngapi?
Box ngapi? Nisikie 14. Box 18.
Hizi kubwa.
Vidogo. Zile za ukuta.
Za ukuta.
Ni renga.
Si pesa mingi, mbona ufia?
Ile siku niambia 1000 nikakushangaa sana. Je, ilikuwa ni shilingi bo.
Sasa.
So guys, we'll try to negotiate the price. This border town. Woo. Kenya Power vehicles. So I left my baby to be washed in car wash and then I'll come back. Heading this way, guys. On this tall building. Hey. Hizo tu. Sasa ni shughuli. Era nora kwera koyo. Amazon itaisi zimeleta.
Hizo umechukua the best. Kuna best. Yana songa.
Bora munipakie.
Hapo.
So imagine, guys, tiles is so expensive and then I need to pay the river money, guys, from here. Wow.
Okay.
Tunaanzia zile ndo nyingi. Hizo ni box za chini. We kama Kenya atakuja zinani aseme ni kubwa.
Unarudisha.
Narudisha mnanibadilishia.
Kwa pesa ndio hatuwezi kupea.
Pesa amunipe, sinarudisha mnanibadilishia.
Wewe. Nakuomba. Siko ubaya ndio. Nakuomba tu Marubi. Niombi. Sawa.
Yeah, so that's for the walling. Imagine, guys. So hot.
Mbona ngurahi hapa?
Kumbe ndo namati. So hot, guys.
What happened to us?
So hot, guys. Wow. Well, guys, it's guys. I need to confirm. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12. Oh guys, so I left my baby to be washed over there. So I'm waiting this tuk-tuk here. Yeah. Weke mafuta. Tanibeba hapo. iPhone 12 Pro.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah. Tutoe selling iPhone. Anataka kuona iPhone kamili. Hiyo ni bomu. The Chinese are trying to sell the iPhone here.
Bro, ni aje? Safi.
Oh guys, so I'm heading home and I have guys, I'm coming from other side, so I'm heading home right now. Imagine. Oh guys, enjoy my trip from border town back home. Tiles asio nipeleka. Na mtu nipelekea tiles nikampatia 500 na ni zile kubwa. Wapi na kuna jamaa kutoka hapo vinya bidaya na pikipiki ya kijani. Wow. You see? Matatu are picking passengers all the way. Guys, I want to say thank you so much for those people who are supporting me. And right now, fix the tiles, guys, from tomorrow. See, Matatu is picking one passenger from the road, guys. That's right there. At the back, guys. Guys, that house one day, I will do like that house. Woo. Catholic church over here, and that's my church, guys. After 100-meter party, guys, we branch this way using Muram Road from here. From this road here, and going this way, guys. Wow. So this one we are going to Nyabohansa. So by now we're using this one. Say goodbye. Oh. So guys, we're going to the deep village. Where I'm born and raised. The far end we have municipal dumping sites. Over here, guys, 1 hectare dumping site area. Wow. So I normally use this road as a shortcut going back home. So, but most of the time I use my baby going around, passing their hands. So guys, you see dumping site? Wow. So we almost have like let me say 30 minutes from here going back home. Ooh. It's green, guys, green scenery. Guys, so now we are heading home, guys. This road, so we left the other roads there. the tuk-tuk thing. Logs over there, right there. Over there, that's my home, guys. Sasa mimi nishikishie hapa ukuje pole pole. Well, guys, so that's my tuk-tuk with a big surprise. Oh man, I keep going back home, and we tried to deliver with a tuk-tuk, so I can't manage to tight all tiles on my motorbike because it's so delicate, man. Wow, let me run. Woo. Guys, over there, that's my surprise. Hey, wow, Mom, I want to say thank you so much. May God bless you abundantly. So right now I can fix my mom's washroom and toilet. So first I start with my mom's place, you know, and then if guys maraba mmetoka shule is friend to my sister. Say hello.
Hello.
This is my sister to the world. Most of the time I feature my sister, but I know kids were not supposed to be allowed in social media. So guys, if you wish to support maybe the rest of the toilet that I'm maintaining, you can support, guys. But for now, let's done for the starting point, guys. Yeah. Guys, tuk-tuk coming, so by tomorrow morning I will start there. Oh. What is it, guys? It's a surprise from U.S., guys. Wow. Oh, I want somebody today. Jamaa anishukishia kwa
Ano.
guys, finally back home with these beautiful tiles here, guys. Oh. Wow. So, zieka tu hapo. Daddy njoo. Tazieka hapo. Ndo ziende ndani. Zima ngoma. Acha kuja msaidiane. Oh guys, oh I'm so happy, man. Wow. Nando tuenguo. Oh guys, oh. If it's delivered, no, to take the tiles inside. Wow. So and it's purely white, guys. So the reason why I choose to put white is because to reflect some light inside, a little bit light. Well, and that one is for sizo zitakuwa kwa flow vizuri.
Zini kubwa.
Hapa tu zinaweza nda box ine. It's time to deliver, guys. Imagine. Hemu kupitora ukinyimba mwana mo gutora. Wiki yacho atondo. Kengua. Mwana bisije byangu.
Tati rusi.
Weka hapo.
Rusi bibe. Asa wiki ubucho tore ha.
Ate mke makoto mo bandiri hansi bigot. Mahamuto hano magena hano. Maha magena kogoto.
Viva engwahi.
Tati utore kuya hayo no nitore.
Wow guys, so let me go and see where my babies have been cleaned. And yesterday I was working on this small issue and then I finished up everything. So I want to say thank you so much for those people keep supporting me. So it's time to go. Nitakuja lakini mida nisitume
wewe
hizo foto. Nitaenda Nyabansi nichukue simu baadaye. I'll use the tuk-tuk going back to Border Town. So isn't it tofauti? Isn't mbona mwe hata mwa mkabi mwa Victoria hansi ni vigari. Wow. So for me, let me use the shortcut here. Utanishika afu na zile dadi mwe kwa nyumba. Wow. For me, I want to use the shortcut. Yeah. Narudi tuone mambo yako. Chicken here with some chicks. So for me, I use the shortcut. I want to meet that guy with that tuk-tuk here. And because I left my baby to be washed, so I supposed to do everything. Wow. For me, man, I want to say thank you so much for those people who keep supporting me up to now since I was starting my journey. And I know for the haters don't like, but I'm just moving with positive vibe. For those people moving with me, may God bless you. And for now, at least, guys, I see more success. So that's my starting point. And I'll show you where it can reach, and then we continue for the rest. That's my village, guys, where I'm born and raised. We're escorting them. It's lunchtime. Say hello. Say my hello. Wow. So I'm going back again to Boiler Town. Shukeni. Hey, look at that. And I'm riding bicycle. Sasa juu kiwake hivyo ndio nabeba. Hivyo kama saa kumi ngao. Kana huko. So I want to see my motorbike over here. Right now guys. So it's so hot. Oh. Now it's okay. Whew. Because this black, so it's absorbed. Oh, so for now I want to pay the payments and then my baby looks clean right now. Nice. Oh guys, so I'm back home and actually I'm from border town. So today you see what I'm doing, and I went to border town, and actually guys I purchased some tiles, so around let me say for the wall 14 and the rest 4. Okay, that's 14 plus 14 plus 4, 18. So I purchased 18 boxes, and actually by tomorrow morning, by God's grace, so the work will be going on here, man, like crazy. And guys, if you wish to support maybe in terms of tiles, for example, tomorrow we start from my mom, washroom and toilet, and the rest will be remaining. So that is where my pocket reach. And guys, your support are very, very special for me. So I'll make sorry until when maybe when I finish these things up. Wow, look at this. The kids so bad. Their mother is there. We have another one here. Alright guys, so that being said, yesterday I brought my we're calling my mason very late here, so we take the measurement and we know. And actually guys, let me show you. Yesterday, so only the wall from here around we take 7 boxes of tiles, and down here it's 2 boxes down here. So here, so every room goes to 9 boxes. Every room 9 boxes. Wow, 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 wow. So 9 boxes every room. Imagine guys, I put ceiling board, and tomorrow morning by God's grace I wanna say goodbye my mom's washroom, like this way. So I will be here and show you how everything have been done. Imagine. Inside here. So you know things like when you want to install some tiles, it needs you have like 6 bags of cement, but for today I bought only the tiles, but in the morning, so I'm remaining with the money for the labor and also money for the 2 bags of cement. So that 2 bags of cement, it can work only this one room and this room. That's 2. 1, 2. So 2 bags of cement could be done here because they were mixing with sand, so to get a big ratio. So we'll be working this and also this one, and then when I get them, when maybe God opened the door, we have 2 bags of cement maybe here, and technically let me say 6 bags of cement. It could be finished all tiling here because this wall is levelized. You know what I mean? It's levelized. So the work is to fix tiles only here, only here, only inside here, but outside I will paint. So that is it. And guys, I want to say thank you so much for your full support, and may God bless you abundantly, guys, you know. So today I'm supposed to walk this way and to show you what's going on. So look, my neighbor's maze, man, it's growing big, so like crazy. Wow. Sometime, man, it's good to stay in our village. For example, this is a boundary here. Let me show you. This is a boundary. You see this neighbor plant their own things rich here, our grandma, so this is the boundary. So if you remember on my videos what I was doing with my friend from Uganda and the Kenyan guy, I was doing digital boundary. So I'll put here that stilba, one of this day here, and then another one over there. I'll cut the stilba, make the point. So that trees I want to cut all down because they have some disadvantage. Wow. So guys, that is it, and keep supporting me until the end. So by tomorrow, by God's grace, I'll start installing the tiles on the wall like crazy, man. So at least I want to make some changes to my family. And also, guys, if you are coming maybe one day to visit me, there's no struggling, oh went maybe, oh there's some maybe things mess like rat train maybe hiding in the bush like on a maze, like crazy. So but for now, at least, guy, you see what I'm making, and I just move some few steps. Imagine, guys, slowly until I finish up. And I thank God for those people supporting me. May God bless you abundantly. That's my reward from my heart, guys. Only to say thank you, guys. So wow. So let's go this way and see where the place where my mom placed the tiles. Tokeni hapo. Funga hapo jambo. Funga hapo, toke hapo. Wow. So kids are playing inside there. So I'm telling them to close and then get out. Wow. So I went to Border Town to take my baby because I left in car wash. So right now it's pure clean. Look, it's pure clean. Wow, guys, pure clean. Wow, look. Wow. So that being said, I'm supposed to see where my mom placed the tiles carefully because, man, tiles are so expensive. Mama, tell me ready. You know, here you must squat because of the height of the house, and we put these gutters here, so you must be very careful. You know, at the back of my gutters, which yesterday I was working on it. So anytime when it's raining, guys, at least my mom is safe. So I fixed the tank and everything, and we try to imagine. Wana sendra maraba mon. Wana watora ambe sasa maraba mahara kakaki. Yakera harusi hasa. Wenge ya gande. Oh guys, so because the cutters of my audience or my supporters, through your support, I fixed my mom's tank, and I want to say thank you so much for those people that keep supporting me. Thank you so much. Thank you a million. Wherever you are, may God bless you and add you more days, guys, you know. So even right here, this is the tap. Imagine all the way from there. This is the tap here. Imagine. So right now, no water. So the tiles is this one here, guys. And me, I'm always say thank you so much, guys. These tiles, it's according to the size. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, okay. Actually, I bought for the floor 4 of them, and for the walling 14. So right now we have quite a number of tiles here. So like this one, 1, 2, 3, 4 are similar. You see? So let me say technically we have 7 plus 7, 14 plus 4, that's 18 boxes. So let me count, guys. 1, 2, you see here, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Oh guys, 11, 12, 13, 14, and this some maybe joints. So that is it. You can see, and this is where I'm packing my baby. So by tomorrow when I finish up everything, you can see we have a wheelbarrow there. So right now, guys, as I talk here, no cement here, but I have the money for the cement for 2 bags. I see where they can push, and at the same time I paid the labor money. So tomorrow morning I'll go back to Border Town to bring the cement. That is it, guys. Just believe on me, and I know for the haters don't like, but this one here, it can work. Let me say technically, let me say my mom's washroom and toilet, it can finish up. So maybe for the floor, when tiles will remaining, I'll fix on other side on our other side of the washroom, because we don't want maybe to mix with my mom's washroom toilet. Oh, excuse me, mom, I want to take shower. Man, I hate those kind of scenario, you know. So at least my mom could have their own house. No, their own washroom and toilet. So crazy. So I'm dreaming the house, so it can't stick on my mind. Nini wanataka? Ufanye nini? Yeah. So guys, I know kids are not allowed to be in social media. So that's my uncle's daughter. Wow. So every 2 weeks I will open this place. I wash the gutters, and that water goes down, and then I take this back, because we left this one as a removable. This one here, and over there. Wow. Hey, my mama tried to cook. Hey. Mountain of ugali, guys. This is pure ugali, guys. Look, the whole ugali. Even you can't jump on the other side. Wow. Mama, say here.
Hello.
Yes, the washing utensil here, guys. And the fucked up thing about my mom, I love my mom the way she was working hard, and she was trying to encourage me to be a good son. If I'm your son, guys, comment on the comment section, guys, and things will be run smoothly. Well, so today's videos are very, very special, and it's all about it's a big surprise, man, by itself. No more blagging things. So recently, guys, I was thinking to put all the house gutters, and one thing come on my mind, because right now our compound is not fenced well. It's not maybe fenced like to have like perimeter wall. If we could have the perimeter wall, I could take the whole house harvesting water. But right now you can see this is our boundary here, and that's our house. So this is our neighbor's land, and because when I put some gutters here, man, you know, other villagers don't like maybe see other people succeed. They're gonna say, oh, hey, or sometime it gets some mess up, and it doesn't. When you go to ask some question, no one will answer you. So I think, oh, let me put the gutters inside our small compound there. So let me show you the disadvantage of this blue gum. You see, for example, this is some roots here. Look, it's go all the way to the house. Even this one here, look. So I was planning I was planning maybe, guys, I was planning through your support when maybe next year, guys, we're just going with you step by step. When I demolish this house, I'll make sure these trees will be cut all down. They were cutting all down and moved some barks like this one here and some roots and everything. So we're remaining with only the place you can place your house and bring your own stuff. Imagine, there's some trees here, it reach here, but see the roots where it's gone on the ground, deep. Look. Hey guys, I see the tractor passing there. Wow. So for example, look at this. I'm telling you, look. This one, from here, coming this way, it reach at this point, this one here, and also it reach here. So, and then it's making some crack on this house, look. So it try to push those posts which hold this house. Wow. So oh, sometimes, guys, I feel like I'm so happy. I'm so happy, but I'm so happy, guys. It's because you made me to be nowadays smiling and all stuff. Wow. So that's my dad's home, my grandma home, my grandma home over there, that one house that you see over there, guys. Wow. Amazing cow. Say hello. They are grazing here. Wow. So guys, tomorrow morning, are you ready for this? So I was waiting for the several time and to be patient and kind, to be patient and humble, and you give your own time or self time, so something just come by its own time. So for now, for me, I didn't expect maybe I want to say, oh, I want to fix maybe tiles by the end of December or next year, but by God's grace, through your support, I get some tiles. And right now, wow, look at that goat over there, they are grazing, you know. So right now 90% of the people plant something on their land, so like maize, sweet potatoes. Like here we have some sweet potatoes over here. So that's my grandma home, the one house that you see over there. Wow. So today I'm trying to give you a nature walk, and actually I'm going this way. So wow, to see what is going on at my village here. Guys, you made me nowadays to be somewhere else, at least in terms of life. I made some few steps, and which I really appreciate, you know. I really appreciate 100%. I really appreciate it, you know, to be appreciative. Wow. Look, I'm heading this way. Heading this way, and to see what is going to my village here. Imagine. Wow. Hey. Wow. Wow, beautiful forest here. Sometimes you can chill inside here, getting fresh air and all stuff, you know, like this is a thorn fence. You have another one here. Wow. Also this road you can use by going to border town by yourself. So guys, you can see how my village looks like. Look, it's green, purely green, and technically 100%. It's super organic, super green, everywhere. Everywhere, guys, you know. Wow. So let's go. Me, I'm on the way. I'm keep going and show you, like for example, we have 3 guava trees here. We don't know there is no guava. it's not maybe a season for the government here. You know what I mean? Wow. Whew. God is good all the time, and when God say yes, nobody can say no. When God say yes, guy, nobody can say no, no matter what. Wow. Look, guys. So maybe this is the first time to show you this place for the first time. You can experience and see what's going on. Look, our neighbor's place. Wow. And imagine from here up to home, you can use 4 posts and you get power. Just over here, I will show you. Give me some few minutes. So that's the reason why I been passing here and show you guys a small house organized. And I think this is 3-bedroom. You can see by yourself. You see? By yourself, 3-bedroom house. It's a small house and organized. Look over there. So that being said, the reason why I was passing here, there's one thing keep pushing me, and because like yesterday you see how we done our work with our plumber, so no power there. Wow. So you see our entire village is building like that house, 3-bedroom, well organized house over there. So try to imagine from here, and you can go direct to this power will pass to my home. It's around 4 posts, because from here to the next post it's 100 meter apart. Every one post to another post 100. So from here up to there, 1 post, let me say technically 5 posts will be reached at home. So these are it's called cables and some posts there. You see all the way. That is the electrical. Maybe you can see cable passing there, and this is the post here. So imagine from here, and it's our neighbor. It's around 5 posts. So that's around 500 meter apart from here. So I can take you around to see and to adventure. So today I'm trying to pass in here after delivered my big surprise that I was waiting for the several times, but God answered my question, God answered my prayer, and also by one of the cuts of our subscriber made it possible. I get the thanks. Wow. You see? So like this one is the supporters for the electrical post. Look. You see? There's one there. So for me, honestly, the good thing about me, when for example you want maybe you want Hello Baby to purchase this jacket, I will make a video. I'll show you the price, how I delivered up to home. So I don't know why haters try to pull me down, but I stay strong. When I say no, it's no. For me, I stay strong. I make my own things. So like, oh, imagine, these are crazy fence here. So for me, I stand and I say I'm standing for one side, which is a positive side. You know, in this world you must have winner and loser. If you're not careful, maybe you'll be joining on the loser side. But if you are careful, you can see, guys, imagine you bought the land. This is the boundary. Look, this one, there's another one there, and I think also here. Wow, this is our neighbor's home. Very beautiful compound inside there, and also have a shop here. So literally, when we mess up things like salt, soap, even mandazi, bread, normally purchasing here. Let me show you. because now it's closed. It's you can purchase here. So they have already put the waiting bench here, so you can sit and then waiting. If you are so tired and you want to relax, you can sit here. And the good thing about in our village here, no one who can chase you is maybe, oh, get out of my place, get out of my land. You know, it's a simple life. Oh wow. So this is the main Muram Road, and it's a public Muram Road as I speak right now. So even you have the transformer here. Imagine here, you have the transformer. You have the transformer here, guys. Look, the transformer just over here, and from here also up to my home, the same distance, 5 posts from here. You see, from here. Imagine this transformer. I'm telling you, these are transformer. Maybe you can see. Let me go closer, but I must be very careful. Sometimes we reach and then say pop. So that's the transformer. That one over there. And from here up to my home also is 5 posts from here to my home. So you can use that in my neighbor's place over there going to my home. So wow, guys, you don't know if you can see the house from the far end. Look like Chinese house, like this roofing. Look, wow. So guys, thank you so much. May God bless you abundantly for those people who keep supporting me. And wow, let me stand here. I want to end my video. So guys, thank you so much. I think I could end my video here. And if you meet these videos for the first time, kindly give a like, subscribe, and all video that I shoot or upload, you can get the notification, and you'll be able to drop the sweet comment there, but a positive one. So guys, support Hello Baby Official here. If I'm your son, if I'm your son, support your son Hello Baby Official. And for me, I just keep supporting my family in other way. So that is it. So guys, I don't have much to say, but my last point is thank you a million for those people who keep supporting me by watching my videos and supporting me in other way, guys. Bye bye, guys. I love you from my bottom of my heart, guys. Bye.